Big tables can get messy. Let's learn how to clean up your results with order by, limit, and as. Order by lets you sort your results. Use ASC for ascending and DESC for descending. Limit is great when you just need top few results, like the top 3 scorers in a class. Column names too long or confusing, use as to create short, readable aliases in your results. Now let's combine it all. Alias names, sorted scores, and just top 5 students. Whether it's business, school, or analytics, this combo helps you find the best, fastest. SQL isn't just about data, it's about clean answers. This is how you get them.